Hey guys, welcome back to an episode where today I'm gonna change your channel photo too. We're gonna be playing Jailbreak. So yeah, but right now I'm playing with Brian, my brother. We'll check if we can go for a rob in this video. You know, we can, I guess. Oh, a rob for this video. Hashtag rob. Wait, no, not hashtag rob. Don't write that. I was gonna show you videos of people robbing stores or people or stuff rob. I don't know. Okay, but why are robbing this? This message is for Corrupted. Corrupted, I'm sorry for asking you for the godlies for real and them too, but I really want Heat and Saw, because you said you'd give it to me because you scammed me out of flames, but I really want Heat and Saw. That's what you said, but you just lost a bet, so I don't know what you did to the guy, but he wouldn't tell you the channel of him, so I don't, well, I'm not gonna say I care, but I don't care. Okay, well, I don't know why I said I don't care. Okay, but anyways, Corrupted, I really want Heat and Saw for real, please. I beg you. If you could give it to me, it'll be a pleasure.
I'm robbing the bank.
Well, yeah, cops are after me. Oh, I'm probably ruined for that, am I?
Maybe.
Oh, I just saw cops.
Don't think you are.
Hey! Hey, why you don't do that? Why you say that?
I'll stick near the wall. I saw
Oh, God, bro! You guys saw him? Run, boy, run!
Oh, God. Alright, you're lucky.
Woo!
Woo! You're lucky there.
No, I'm not. No. Oh! I made the 200K!
No contact in the building yet.
Sorry, it's my grandma. She has... Well, I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna pause the video for it. Oh, God. Okay, it's my grandma, so you're gonna be hearing this because, well, she's 87, I think. Yeah.
Oh my God, you survived the cop.
Oh, wow, you got in here arrested. You guys survived the other cops.
What?
Da-da-da.
Maybe.
Oh, no, you're free. Oh, never mind.
Who entered the building?
You probably did.
I swear, that's a penguin.
500, yes. I'm pretty sure I have that card.
Alright,
Yes.
that's a bad car.
Well, if you can get him in time, you're okay. But if he arrests you,
Got him.
someone loses a diaper.
The police entered the building. What the heck?
Well,
There's cops entering the building.
everywhere. Okay.
Yes. I did it. Now
Hey
I can,
guys,
now
I'm
I
gonna pause
can
the
get him.
video. Hey guys, so yeah, I already colored my thing, and plus the train is near. No! Get ready for your fear. Ooh, that's a small train.
Say what now?
No. Oh crap! There you go, no.
Step on it, old man.
Good old man. This is a small train.
I just knocked your car.
How all this? Smallest train probably. Or jailbreak robbing. Let's get this 4,000 cash. Go! Like for me to make it to 4,000 cash. Oh wait, I don't glitch out. Oh god. Come on. Whee! Okay, yeah, there's my dad screaming because my grandma is asleep. Okay, come on. Give me that 4,000 cash. Really need it. I really want to get close to. Oh, bro, but I swear if you glitch me out, bro. You know, don't you dare glitch me out. Oh, there's no way you're gonna make it to the top. No.
At least I got some cash.
I didn't make it to 4,000. Steal your car. No. I really want to get that Voltron bike.
Ow.
off that robbing anyway. Siri, let's get running with it. SWAT, shotgun, pistol.
What?
Who wants a pistol? Mighty. Okay.
The train is looking really small. Why'd they have to go at it?
Yep, I only got 3,700 cash.
Open a crate here.
Wait, 3,700 cash, yeah. Cause I was like, bruh, what was I do? 4,000 cash. Guys, I'm waiting to get the Voltron.
You got me this, and that was a better.
Oh no! What the? Dude, why me? Well, you are pretty much, well, you're a cop, but you're dead. Why are you saying annoying?
The cops are on. What the?
Did you just say what the?
No!
Oh! Guys, there's 2 people robbing. Do you know that means we can get on top and then get inside?
Well, guys,
wait, is it 3 or 2?
He got arrested.
We're getting up. 2 girls.
And even he was nowhere to be seen.
Can one of you open the door for me, please? Aww!
But at least I understand it.
Alright,
Vexian, you're the most wanted.
Oh, honey, no! Get down, boy! Get down! Where are you? It is.
Looks like I need another card. Oh, yeah, he sounds good.
What the? Dude, are you high? Oh, well, there's a fly. Don't.
I'm not doing it.
Don't whistle. I'm gonna hit my head.
I died.
I died. Your triangle.
I died. I can't believe I died.
Oh, I'm not the most wanted. Is the girl or the boy?
Oh,
there's a nub. Give me a key card.
Die.
Thank you. Oh, everything to try then to
There's a key card outside. Oh, she dropped 2 key cards, 3 guns.
2 key cards and 3 guns. Oh my god, she's a rare.
Oh my god, I killed her. Oh my god.
See what I tell you guys. I'm sorry, lady, but you're a cop. I can't take risks. Can you watch a dancing clown? Don't you just shh. Again, guys, so a lot of people go for the SWAT. Well, SWAT's good because it gives you an awesome gun.
I have a question.
Okay, there's probably a cop that's gonna jump down over there. Yeah.
I have a question for them.
Yeah.
Say in the comments if which of you knows how to do any voices of actors.
Oh. Me, please corrupted, give me saw.
And I gotta go.
Sign needs, please corrupted. Corrupted, it's about what's in your heart. You don't have to make people feel the same way you are.
Not in your brain.
Okay, so is the jewel opened or is that a cop? Oh, it's you.
No, the door is not open. My pinching.
The bank is open.
Look around, dude.
Ooh. Dibs.
Jump! Behind you! Behind you!
Oh! I stole your thing. I'm gonna still shoot you.
Let's go in fast.
Yep.
Wait, look behind.
You look behind.
I know what's behind. Okay, they'll tell us if the cops have entered.
Yep, but if they enter, we're pretty much dead already, bruh.
John, you're killing me.
What do you mean?
Oh,
honey, no. Honey, no. Oh.
I cannot shoot.
her. She comes in where. Well.
I got scared for a minute. Super high for money. Key for money. Guys, first tell them, oh, give me keys
Whoa!
first.
Did he put that right now? Guys, remove the ice block. Remove the ice block. There's money on the floor. Oh.
I have all my money.
Not me.
She's saying BRB? She's lying.
Yup. She is lying. Asian gamer.
Are you ready to go?
No, you.
Nope. Oh, there she is. How about
Damn
we kill her
it.
through the
You
wall?
almost got her.
Can we kill her through the wall? BRB, BRB. I
BRB.
think it's really her. No, it's a boy.
Oh.
And that's a girl.
She
Or a
just
boy.
judged someone for nothing. Here goes nothing. You got my back, right, bruh?
Oh, baby. Here's someone.
No. We get. Come on, come on.
I'm coming. I survived.
Got her. Why'd you go right there? Go in front.
I forgot.
I'll try to steal her heli. Wait, is it open? Yes, it is.
Go, 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 go. Let's get out of here.
You got my back.
Oh, my
okay.
God.
Okay, go. Okay.
We're not letting him in. Key for card. Guys, there's one question. Do not fall for that, alright? They give you the key first, you give them your cash, they arrest you and they leave.
Joel's open, damn it.
Only store's open.
No! F this!
Hey!
Please do not go without us. I'm begging you, bro.
No!
Bro, I hate you! What would you do?
Hey, my
Yeah, I hope
door's
this
still
place
here.
blows up and it explodes
Oh
your
my
face. I'm not.
That car? My car's open.
That dude's a nub and there's a cop.
They went up.
Is it a cop?
Hey! Hey, no! Hey!
Didn't.
I
Dude.
can't.
If you can.
Go! Oh my God, I thought it was a cop.
Oh, you should calm down. Well, guys, as we all know, this is the end of the video. And the end of this video, what would this be? Oh, guys, the end of this video is doing this. Jump down! Press space for Brian! Then he dies. No!
You?
No!
And
Anyways, guys, Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to join my group. Wait, let me show you the group. Penny says, oh no. Okay, anyways, make sure to join our group, Churro Blossom More official fan group, and like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.
subscribe to Keep It Animated.
No. Goodbye, guys.
Bye.